Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we'll go over how to make a budget when you're a student step by step. Budgeting isn't fun. There's no way around it. But the process of making a budget can be as simple or as complex as you want it to be. Step 1 is to establish goals. A budget is really just a list of goals. For example, your overall goal may be to have enough money for rent and tuition. Or maybe you just like an extra $100 saved at the end of each month. Then figure out a budgeting process that you'll actually be able to maintain. This could involve tracking things with pen and paper, using an Excel spreadsheet, or something else that suits your personality. The bottom line here is you have to choose a method that allows you to be organized and continue budgeting over time. Third, you'll want to get a sense of your starting point by recording where you're currently spending your money. You can get a lot of information from your online accounts for your tuition and any credit cards or debit cards that you might already have, and reference any receipts you've saved. Fourth is grouping your expenses into these 3 buckets: must-haves, nice-to-haves, and things you really don't need. You should only allocate money to the nice-to-have bucket if you can comfortably afford all of your must-haves. Fifth, try to make it a contest. Add a competitive angle to costs shared by classmates, teammates, fraternity guys or sorority gals, and the rest will take care of itself. This is especially useful when saving for a trip or big event like spring break or study abroad. Number 6 is remembering your student loans. Even though you aren't required to begin making student loan payments until 6 to 9 months after graduation, it's really best to start planning for your future payments and building up some savings specifically for them. Beginning to actually make payments while you're in school will also help you to save on interest. And finally, make a commitment to follow your budget, track your progress, and adjust as you go. And don't give up. The true value of a budget comes with time. Not only will tracking your credits and debits allow you to see where you're overspending, but you'll also be able to see how your spending habits hopefully change over time. So I hope that these tips will help you get your financial house in order and achieve all of your savings goals. You can find more tools to help you make a budget by clicking the button here. Good luck!